Hey guys,
Hey.
welcome back to our channel.
Yes.
It's so sunny.
It's
My
so
God.
hot today.
So today we have a different kind of vlog for you guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a bit of a personal.
Bit personal.
Bit personal. Yeah, so you guys don't know, my name is Tee. I was gonna say my name is Mon.
I'm Mon.
So we have left our home in the UK and moved to Southeast Asia for 7 months now.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are currently based in Vietnam, and for the last 7 months we've been living in Hanoi. And it's been amazing.
It's been really good.
So today's vlog, we're just gonna show you guys where we live.
Yeah. And starting off, we're gonna go to the shop.
Yes, literally. We are gonna show you guys why did Mon get into her shopping addiction.
Yes.
Because where we live, we're literally about 3 minutes walk away from one of the biggest shopping mall in Hanoi. So, yeah.
So technically it's T's fault, not mine.
Yes, so let's go.
So
It's so busy today.
it is busy. Very busy. But we're gonna head to Uniqlo right now.
Wow.
I'll be your tour guide for the day.
Wait, I saw you, Nicole, is
I
that
was
one?
gonna go that way and there's no way to go around. We'll go that way.
So much for a tour guy.
Oh look, foundation in my colour. Let's see if we can get some good offers. There's a lot of sale going on.
This is you in your natural habitat.
Yes. Nice.
We'll actually start transitioning to summertime now. So
Yes.
yes, Mon is waiting to get for, what's it called? New wardrobe for the summer.
As I should. Well deserved.
We are actually gonna head back to Thailand very soon as well. And before we're going on this trip, she already told me that she's gonna shop. So not too sure how that's gonna be.
I feel like it's nice. I'm giving you a pre-warning.
This shopping, we go in here all the time.
Yes.
Yeah, we end up going here because they at the bottom ground, on the ground floor? No,
Yeah,
on the basement floor.
basement floor.
Yeah, they actually have like a shopping, like a supermarket.
Yeah.
So we end up going here to do our grocery.
Yes.
So around where we are live, there's actually no wet market or like a traditional Vietnamese market. So we end up buying a lot of foods and stuff like that in the actual supermarket. Plus, foods in Vietnam is really cheap, so we end up ordering out quite a lot.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah. Oh,
Still-
they said Vietnam got you covered.
That's
Oh,
cute.
you love them.
Yeah.
So, I'm hungry.
Very hungry.
This shopping mall literally about 4 minutes walk
Yeah.
away from where we live. So after this, we're gonna take you guys to see our actual apartment.
Yeah.
Yeah, but first I've got to get food.
We need to get food in our system.
So hungry, we literally have not eaten at all, and it's like 2 o'clock.
Yeah.
Lacking. Let's go.
Food time.
Well, if we can find a seat somewhere. I
Yeah.
feel like most of the places are going to be really booked up today.
This is what happens when you don't plan properly.
Technically, like I said, this vlog is a bit different from our usual one because we have no plan whatsoever to travel.
No.
We are at home. This is our base.
Got the days mixed up as well.
Got the day mixed up because if you don't know, so we are in the middle of moving because we've been here.
Oh.
We actually have been in Hanoi for 7
Yeah.
months already, and we are planning to move.
Yeah, we're gonna move.
Yeah, so you might see us doing more of the apartment hunting and you know how we get used to the new area soon. Because Chi Minh City is really vibrant.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've been there once already since we came to Vietnam.
We're not
isn't it?
saying that Hanoi isn't, it's just that it's not as busy.
Plus also the main
Yeah.
aspect to us is was the weather.
Yeah.
Weather in Hanoi is sort of very similar to back from home.
Yeah. The thing is that we would explain to our family and friends back at home, but they would be, I don't think they
Realize, yeah.
how similar it was.
The weather is still really hot,
It's
but
still
it's
hot, but
very
it's still cloudy.
Yeah, it will be like 32 Celsius,
Yeah.
but you don't see no sun whatsoever.
No sun.
Just grey.
Just
cloud.
grey.
But nonetheless, we loved it here.
Yeah.
And I mean, got nothing to complain about. It's just a bit of change of scenery
Yeah.
for us now. And yeah, more adventures. I mean, that's why we sold everything and left.
Yeah.
But
To
yeah,
explore.
stay tuned to see more Ho Chi Minh videos soon.
Just 2 please. Thank you. At least we get to eat now.
I know. I can't believe literally this is like the latest we've eaten, like gone without food.
Yeah.
It's coming up to like 3:30 and we have not had no food today.
I did say we're on the diet.
It's just not this kind of diet, I'm afraid. Look, literally. Phone got to eat first.
Of course.
As always. We got half a chicken, rice, chips, chicken ribs. We didn't even know about this until we came to Vietnam.
Yeah.
Yeah, chicken ribs with
It's so
honey
nice.
glaze. So nice. Prawn tacos, Highland salad, and a crab dip. All of this, $7.50. Literally, 20 quid. Let us eat this and we'll take you guys to our house.
Yeah.
Randomly saw this jackfruit tree just on the road.
Of course, I know that one.
Look at the tiny little baby one. That's our building there. The main attraction for us is the layout of this place. So every single apartment in here are all duplex, and we get a beautiful views. Well, not anymore, because in the last 2 weeks, they decided to open a construction site right in front of our apartment. So we get no views now. Well, we still do get views, just with a crane right in the middle of it.
Lovely noise in the morning and night.
Yeah. Alright, welcome to our home. Oh, fell. Welcome to our home. Hello.
Hello, Nudes.
Welcome to our home.
Yes. Home sweet home.
Yes, as you said, look, you can see that crane right there.
Yeah.
Overnight. Big crane just right in front of us. But yeah.
It's entertaining for Noodles though.
Look, got Noodles. His little viewing point. But yeah, right there. They're building a massive building up here. It was closed up actually. No one was there for months. Like we have 7 months, for the last 6 months, there was nothing. Nobody there, and we thought it was like a ghost project. That's what we got told.
That's what we got told.
Yeah, and then all of a sudden, woke up one day and this massive crane was there. I mean, we still get a really nice view at night time. I mean, these buildings were lit up as well. It was quite nice and quite clear on most days. But you know, as you know in Hanoi, pollution is quite bad. So most of the day, it's just really foggy. But yeah.
Oh, look, Noodles wants to show as well.
Hello, mate. Do you want to show us around the house? He's not having it. Let me turn on his light. There you go.
Yeah, this is Noodle's space.
Look, his little sanctuary. I mean, it's very messy at the moment because we are packing away. And I mean, you can see all the boxes there. Yeah, when we came from the UK, literally half of that, just suitcases, and then all these boxes just magically appear.
And it's not all me. Our bathroom.
Yeah, so we got a washer and dryer. Little view in here.
A lovely view of the crane.
You can't escape the crane.
Yeah. What we love is the lighting. The light, like it's so
very bright. That was one of the main things we wanted to go.
It's also a con as well because when it's hot, it's hot. Living room, Noodles, cat tree.
Do you see that little ledge up there? On the first night we arrived, he decided to climb all the way on that ledge there to the end there. And this bit is quite tall, so he can't come down. So he just stand there and crying the whole entire time. So we had to get these little ledges for him to, like a little stairway. Oh, hello.
Because of the banister bit up here.
Yes.
He's been on there twice. And one time I was doing my Pilates.
Yes.
He jumped over me.
Yes.
So that was very fun experience.
If he wasn't moving to Ho Chi Minh, we would have moved to another property just because of this here. This is really, really tall. I'll say, what, 7, 8 foot?
Yeah, it's quite high.
Yeah, it's quite high up. And he'd come all the way on top there, so mostly like 9. Yeah, like 9 foot up. So all the way down.
And the funny thing is, we were more concerned about the stairs, that if he's running up, he might slip.
Yeah. Oh, he was fine with it.
He was fine with it.
Yeah, it wasn't that. He just decided to jump off himself. So it's technically is a 1-bedroom, but we actually had no separation with the bedroom because, like I said, the layout is a duplex. So we actually don't have no privacy from Noodles.
Right, I'm going to apologize now because the bedding is not what we have right now.
Yes.
So this is our bed.
Yes.
And up there is also Noodles' bed.
So Noodles love to climb on top of here and just watching us and then sleep over on top of our head every single night. And then when it's about 5 o'clock, jump down to wake us up to feed him.
Yes.
Yes.
And that's also his bed over there too. Guys, let me just tell you about this. This is my lovely wardrobe. Yeah. Under the bed is my wardrobe. And here, T actually got the wardrobe, not me.
I had 2 drawers in there. It's
doesn't
tiny.
matter.
No. You make it seem that I have a lot. 1 second. Look at the size of this. All right. All of this with hers. So all of the coats hanging, that was Mon. I had this tiny little section and these 2 really, really shallow drawers. And then that was it. That's you. And then on this side, it was all Mon's. That full thing there was Mon. These 2 big drawers and the side there was Mon. You see?
It's not
They're trying to paint me a villain.
It's not a wardrobe though.
Got a little vanity section here.
Right, bye guys. See you next time.
This is actually what we love the most when we first saw this property is this bathtub. Look at it. It looks amazing. Oh, it's still wet. Yes, but look. We actually rarely use this. Yeah. I think the entire time we're here, we use this about 5 times. Yeah. In total, but look at it. Literally, you get the view of the city over there. The little screens to separate the toilet and the shower. There's Noodles watching us just through there all the time.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, look, hey, don't do that. Yeah, look, love hide and seek. But yeah, you can see they got a little section here. Normally we put these chairs downstairs, and this bit here we just turn on like we turn it into like a storage bit.
Yeah.
Because it's quite hidden away from the main part there, and it's quite like a little partition here. There you go.
There we go.
Hello, mate. Yeah, I mean that's a view from up here. Except it is quite high up, and Noodles walked on here before, and he hurt himself when jumped down, so he never done it ever again. Really, so that was the first time. I mean, we're leaving soon, so we'll be fine. We got a couple of days.
Let's hope we don't get too excited now.
So
this is our apartment.
That is our home. I mean, we were a bit hesitant to do this one because normally you will see us doing more video of traveling and then go visit different places.
Foods.
Exactly. So this is a bit more into like what we're doing and how it's like a live update or show our situation since we left. Because I think we only done one of that video before, just before we left the UK.
Yeah.
Yes, to show our house before we sold it. As you can see, all of the stuff there, we are literally leaving very soon. So by the time you see this video, we probably already moved to Ho Chi Minh, change our base from then.
Yeah.
So we came originally with all these suitcases. That's all from the UK. But then we got 4 boxes here. That's all extra since we have been collected since we came.
Yeah.
One of the reasons why I saw, because we feel like we actually not home.
Yeah.
So much. As you know, like we travel quite extensively at the moment to explore more of Asia, and we actually not end up at our base quite too much. So we're here every 2-3 weeks, and then we fly out again.
Yeah.
Let's add him in there as well, because he has a bit of a moody. Yes, all 3 of us.
Yes.
One of the reasons why we moved is just that, really.
Yeah.
I mean, we spend quite a bit, and we're not staying here. Also, we feel like we had enough time exploring Hanoi now, and it's time to move to the next place.
Yeah.
We're trying to explore a different place because Ho Chi Minh is a massive city as well. It's just so weird. It's not even that. Like, normally you see us out, traveling, walking about, and then just have fun.
Yeah.
And now this video feels so serious.
We feel a bit shy.
Anyways, I got the figures. So we're paying 24,500. So 24,500,000 dong a month for our rent. And our service is 1,170,000 dong. Our water last month was 320,000 dong, and electric was 1,200,000. We also have a little moped as well for a month, and it costs 1,950,000. For car park in the building, you get like a little monthly card, and that's 120,000 dong for the month. Also, we actually don't have a cleaning service because I'll say most of the actual apartment like this, it doesn't come with a cleaning service.
So before we came to Vietnam, we just automatically assumed that
It's a thing.
it was a thing because everyone said. But in apartments in Vietnam, there is service apartment and there's apartments. So what we chose is apartment. If you get a service apartment, that comes with a service.
Also, our Wi-Fi, we thought it came with Wi-Fi at first.
Yeah, I know.
And then we got sent a bill for 6 months, which is like, oh, we had to pay for the Wi-Fi.
Yeah. We were so excited. We're like, what? This Wi-Fi
and the Wi-Fi
amazing.
is amazing. But no, we had to pay for that. And when we got the bill, I was like, oh, yay. And but
it wasn't.
It wasn't much.
No.
It was like, I think it was like 600K or something like that. For 6 months, so about 100, 120, I'm pretty sure. Like I said, I think altogether, for everything, it's just about over, it's about nearly £800. So for everything altogether, it's about £800. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't know what else you can say. I mean, we're in a pretty much not central of the expat, but it is a very expat area.
It's not too far from things.
This bit is a bit quieter compared to the central of Tay Ho. We are further up of the lake, but it's very peaceful, which we like really. When we might see one of our some of our video.
We're always on the go, so sometimes like when it comes to editing, or should I say you're editing, darling, like we just want to rest, like kind of relax our mind. So it's just nice to have that peace.
For our next place, we'll probably look for something. Oh, we're definitely gonna cut down on the budget.
Oh yeah.
Because we said, we feel like we're paying way too much.
We didn't
not
know.
For the place. The place is beautiful, but we're paying for too much for ourselves because we're not here. If you space out the time we're actually in Hanoi, Vietnam, in our own place of the month, we're actually not here as much. We're like 2 weeks at a time. So half of the month we're not even here, and we're paying quite a substantial amount compared to
only Noodles is
here.
Enjoying the place.
To our next place, we're gonna do other videos. So I mean, let us know what you guys think of this sort of video.
Yeah.
Should we do more into our personal lives, show where we live, what we do on a daily basis in between our travel, or should we just stick with our travel content? Because we do enjoy our travel content so much.
Yeah,
Like, we enjoy making it so much because we love traveling.
We do love traveling. And
we love people.
We do love to interact and like
Yes.
to do things out of
Everywhere
our
we go,
normal
we
zone.
always see nice people. That's what I love.
But yeah, tell us if you want to see more of this. As
Yes.
you can tell, we're a little bit shy. So
Yes.
you can encourage
This
us
is
to do
our
more.
first-
I
yeah.
feel like I need to get up and do something.
Right?
Yeah.
But yeah, let us know. And I mean, look out for our next one because like I said, by the time you see this video, we're probably in Ho Chi Minh and we're going to do a bit of apartment hunting as well. We do have a few buildings already in mind.
We do have like a rough idea like which district we want to look at.
Well, we had 2 districts in mind.
Yeah.
It was District 2 and District 7.
Yeah.
We kind of lean towards more District 7. Well, the 2 district is very expat central.
Yeah.
That's what we want to be. We want a bit of like expats, so we still have the amenity that we used to have at home, but also a little bit in of the local, because everywhere in Vietnam, you're going to get that local feel anyways. But yeah, I mean, look out for our next video and we will see you guys then. Hope you enjoy our little
home. Please remember to like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. And I mean, if you want to see us in our normal habitat of traveling, check out our other videos at the end of this video. Just
video.
at the end of this video. See you guys then.
See you guys.
Bye.
Bye.